I got the blades. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to my friends over at Little Smiles. They are the reason why I got this. You think that I paid this? I paid for this? Heck no. This thing cost $600 and that was with a discount. So go on over there. Little Smiles is like a non-profit organization that gives kids like a gift. It's kind of like Make-A-Wish in that a kid can ask for something and they will get it. So one person came up to me in the hospital and they said, "Hey, do you want something?" And I said, "Sure." So I got these. These are Vuzix Blade. Ooh. So they're smart glasses. And, you know, the packaging looks pretty good. There's nothing too bad. So you push that and you get this. So take that out and you get safety and warranty. You get a hard case, which is pretty nice. So good hard case. Get a bag. You get a small charger, which I wish that they would have gave me one a little bit bigger. But those things are so common. So you get a nose piece and you get a setup sheet, which is like how to set it up and all the different gestures, and it's alright. So here's the hard case and here are the blades. So at first glance, these are bulky, and I mean bulky. They're not very heavy, at least from what I've seen. They have a camera, they have a touchpad, they have a charging port, SD slot, all kinds of cool things. And they even give you a little portable charger for when you want to go, because the battery isn't that long, and I'll get onto that. So what you do is you press this little button right here and green light, and it takes maybe a minute for it to do its thing, and I am in. So there's the home screen, and you can use the side for moving around the menu. So you have Alexa. Well, it comes with camera and music control. I just put some apps on here. So photos. I'm recording the screen right now. So there's a game. You can play games on here. There's YouTube, like a news, weather, which doesn't work for some reason, Yelp, and the settings. So overall, it's pretty good. So you can, you know, I'm going into YouTube right now. I'm watching a video of mine. So it's a 480p screen, and you know, it's not that stellar, but if you put like my actual prescription glasses on, it's crystal clear. So you know, you can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix, you can hook this up to your iPad or a phone or whatever and listen to music or Spotify. Spotify has an app for this, but for some reason it doesn't work. You can play Doom on here, and then there's a tank game that you can play on here. You can take pictures and videos on here. You can do all sorts of cool things. So it's a very cool device. It does have its flaws. The battery life is only 2 hours if you're going to watch a movie or something, but if you're listening to music, it could probably last all day. Or if you're just using it from here and there. The camera, while it's decent. It's only 8 megapixels, so I wish that it could have been a bit better. It's a bit bulky, but it doesn't really bother to me because it's pretty sturdy. So I mean, you could probably drop this and it would be fine. Overall, it's pretty good. Setup. It says that it can set up with iOS, so I tried it with my iPad, but it didn't work. But once I hooked it up to another phone, it worked just fine. Go to photos, I go straight to the phone, and I actually recorded a video, the Thompson video. I actually recorded it with this, so you know it's a pretty cool system if you ask me. You know, am I going to recommend that you get this? If you can get it on a discount, sure. It's again $600 and that was with a discount. They're normally $800, and you can get them with prescription glasses for $200 extra. So you're looking at a $1,000 device here, and that's just a bit too much. But if you can get them for, you know, $600, $550, sure, go ahead and get them. Technology is always changing, and I've just listed off a few features of these. You can have notifications from your phone. You can listen to music. The speakers sound okay. They sound like headphones, regular headphones, so I mean, they're not spectacular. They say that they have noise canceling, but I don't understand how that works or where it is, so I didn't get to test that out. It says that can monitor your heart rate and stuff. I couldn't find that on the App Store, which it has an App Store. It's about 40 apps, so there's like Washington Post and weather and games, different games and stuff. So overall, it's a pretty cool device. So that's it for the video. Comment down what you want me to do next time. And until then, Captain Q-Tip signing out.